Brigade Group Service Battalion provides second-line combat service support, less medical, and military police services to the Brigade Group in operations. The battalion also provides first-line support to brigade units and elements lacking self-sufficiency. It forms the last link in the administrative chain between third-line service support elements and the units of the Brigade Group. The battalion's tasks include the provision of second-line transportation, postal, supply, laundry, bath, and decontamination, maintenance, dental, and finance and non-public funds amenities support. The battalion also coordinates rear area security and damage control in the Brigade Group rear area. A Brigade Group Service Battalion consists of a headquarters, transportation, supply, maintenance, and administration companies, and dental and finance platoons. The headquarters includes a command group, logistics operations center, and a signal troop. The commanding officer is the brigade commander's advisor on logistics matters. The Log Ops Center is the focal point through which the CO exercises command and control of his battalion and any attachments. It prepares detailed plans and orders and executes the logistics portion of the Brigade Group Commander's plan. It coordinates logistics, rear area security, and damage control operations. The Log Ops Center controls road movement within the brigade administrative area and second-line transport to delivery point locations. It also organizes administrative airlift, conducts liaison for second-line combat service support matters, and deploys the Forward Logistics Control Center. Its operations are under the direction of the Senior Logistics Operations Officer. It is manned by clerks, a signaler, and a duty officer. Daily log briefings keep administrative personnel up to date on the tactical situation, on current operations, and on logistics plans. The signal troop provides combat net radio and line communications for the battalion. All other communications, such as area trunk access and signal dispatch service, are provided by the Brigade Group Headquarters and Signal Squadron. The administration company consists of a headquarters, a supply platoon, a transport platoon, a maintenance platoon, and a medical section. It provides the battalion first-line transport, supply, maintenance, messing, medical support, and personnel administration. The service battalion headquarters and the administration company are normally co-located. The location is divided into areas for the battalion headquarters and orderly room, the company command post, and company subsections. Sighting requirements generally involve high ground for good radio communications, hard standing with overhead concealment, a central location within the BAA, potential for all-round defense, good internal tracks with access to the main supply route, and a landing zone. The transportation company consists of a headquarters, up to 4 transport platoons, a combat supplies platoon, a postal platoon, and a movements platoon. It provides second-line transportation and replenishment support to the brigade group, including handling the brigade group maintenance load of combat supplies. In conjunction with the supply company, breaking and issuing combat supplies. Limited general purpose transport. Tactical air movement support. And and postal services. The headquarters deploys as a command post and operations center, an orderly room, and a company's stores section. It can also function as the alternate battalion headquarters. The location also includes areas for company maintenance and support services and a landing zone. The company can operate from within the BAA or with some of its elements detached to a forward logistics group. Transport platoon activities involve carrying the brigade group maintenance load of combat supplies, conducting DPs for the delivery of combat supplies and other stores, and providing limited general-purpose transport. The platoons are normally located about 5 kilometers from the company headquarters. The combat supplies platoon includes 3 teams, which account for and arrange the replenishment of the brigade group maintenance load of combat supplies. The movements platoon is responsible for the operation of brigade group transfer points and terminals for shipments, the operation of a surface and air forwarding service, the provision of technical advice to the company operations center, the siting and operation of brigade group air supply drop zones and landing zones, maintaining movements records, and tactical air movements training and proficiency checks of loading teams and inspection of aerial delivery systems equipment. The postal platoon organization is responsible for handling all official mail, except that carried by the Signal Dispatch Service, providing post office facilities, sorting mail received into unit lots, receiving and dispatching mail into and from the brigade group area, and providing a limited classified delivery service. The supply company is organized into a headquarters, a repair parts platoon, a general and technical stores platoon, and a laundry, bath, and decontamination platoon. Its tasks include holding and stocking repair parts, holding limited quantities of fast-moving clothing, general and technical stores, receiving and backloading serviceable and repairable stores returned from units, operating laundry, bath, and limited decontamination services, consolidating the brigade group's bulk demands, receiving and breaking bulk supplies for units, and handling in-transit stores consigned to units. Company operations will be conducted from a wooded or built-up location, having firm, well-drained ground, traffic circuits, and good concealment. On the ground, the company is organized into sites for a company command post and stock control office, areas for returns, receipts, issues and bulk breaking, company transport, administration, maintenance, general and technical stores, and repair parts. Areas for the laundry, bath, and decontamination platoon will be sited near suitable water sources. The supply company headquarters consist of an operations center, company orderly room, a company stores section, and a command section, which includes a stock control office for coordinating all brigade group accounting and provisioning. The repair parts platoon is responsible for the accounting, procurement, receipt, and holding of all first and second line repair parts, less aviation and crypto parts required by the brigade group. The general and technical stores platoon is responsible for providing, accounting for, receiving, warehousing, and issuing a limited range of fast-moving general and technical stores, consolidating bulk demands, receiving, bulk breaking, and issuing items received as a result of these demands, receiving and backloading repairable stores, salvaging material returned from units, and handling stores in transit consigned directly to brigade group units. The Laundry, Bath, and Decontamination Platoon provides laundry and decontamination of clothing, bath and decontamination facilities for personnel, and a very limited decontamination capability for vehicles. The maintenance company consists of a headquarters, a main repair group, and a forward repair group. The company provides second-line repair and recovery capability for the brigade group. In addition, its tasks include providing technical advice, maintaining equipment in a state of operational readiness, holding a stock of repair parts for Level 2 maintenance work, scaling of repair parts, preparing maintenance orders, directives, and procedures, and manning and operating the brigade group equipment collecting point and a backloading point if so directed. The main repair group deploys in and operates from the BAA, while the forward repair group normally deploys forward of the BAA. Villages may be used to site both the MRG and FRG. They are ideal in many respects because they mask noise and light and normally provide good working areas. The main repair group consists of a headquarters, a vehicle repair platoon, a weapons and artisan repair platoon, a telecommunications and fire control systems repair platoon, a recovery platoon, and a repair parts platoon. The MRG performs Level 2 repairs to most vehicles and equipment which cannot be performed by the FRG. On the ground, the MRG organizes itself into areas for a command post, a control office, first-line transport and maintenance, workshops for all the repair platoons, a repair parts platoon, a recovery platoon, and service support requirements. The vehicle repair platoon incorporates a large number of vehicle repair teams, which are divided into sections for the repair of wheeled and tracked vehicles. It also operates the brigade's equipment collecting points and, when required, provides MRTs to augment the FRG. The weapon and artisan repair platoon consists of sections which repair weapons and other materials in support of the other MRG sections. The platoon works from specially equipped vehicles and can provide MRTs to augment the FRG. The telecommunications and fire control systems repair platoon operates from specially equipped vehicles, which can be used as MRTs to assist the FRG. The recovery platoon provides medium and heavy wheeled recovery vehicles for general recovery tasks and for clearing ECPs. The repair parts platoon includes a large number of heavy wheeled vehicles with medium trailers, which are designed with bins for storage of repair parts. One of its sections is attached to the FRG to provide parts immediately required by the MRTs for the repairs of tanks, APCs, self-propelled guns, and engineer equipment. The forward repair group consists of a headquarters, 3 forward maintenance platoons, and an attached repair parts platoon. It carries out in situ Level 2 repairs from MRTs which specialize in repairs to tracked vehicles, weapon systems, and telecommunications equipment. A platoon is responsible for repairs on heavy tracked vehicles. B platoon performs repairs on light tracked vehicles, while C platoon provides for repairs on weapon systems, fire control systems, and telecommunications equipment. The remaining elements include the dental platoon and the finance platoon. Both are normally co-located with the administrative company in the BAA. The finance platoon consists of a headquarters and sections for public fund accounting, non-public fund accounting, and audits and inspections. Its tasks include custody, disbursement, and accounting of public and non-public funds, delivery and receipt of cash funds, and maintenance of currency balances, scrip control and currency exchange, financial audits and inspections, pay services to units without a paymaster, and payment of local purchases, contracts, and the pay of civilian labor. The dental platoon provides second-line dental services to the brigade group. It is organized into a headquarters, 4 clinic sections, and a technical support section. The clinic sections are deployed throughout the brigade group rear area. Normally, 1 clinic section is located with the brigade group medical station. The platoon headquarters, which also functions as a dental clinic, is usually sited close to the administration company headquarters. Other clinics are located close to troop concentrations. The brigade administrative area is commanded by the Service Battalion CO and contains the combat service support organizations which support the brigade group. These include the Brigade Group Service Battalion, elements of the Field Ambulance, the MP Platoon, and the Affiliated Aviation Squadron, and Unit B echelons. When an immediate support organization is required forward of the BAA, a forward logistics group is formed which operates from a designated forward administrative area. An FLG is deployed in response to operational situations, such as a break in forward road and air links, stretched lines of communications, or to support a portion of the brigade group on an independent mission. The FLG is a tailored task organization, which normally includes elements from the Service Battalion, the Field Ambulance, the MP Platoon, and from Unit A echelons. It can operate well forward for a limited period of time. The Forward Logistics Control Center is a small operations center with communications and operational personnel drawn from the resources of the Logistics Operations Center. The FLCC is deployed as the command element of the Forward Logistics Group. It may also deploy as a step up to facilitate the move of the Log Ops Center. When deployed, the FLCC controls all second line and attached service support elements operating forward of the BAA. It exercises control over dumping programs and emergency resupply operations. It may be necessary for the FLCC to take over control of the Brigade Group Administrative Communications and/or the Service Battalion Command Net to ensure the continuing coordination of replenishment activities. The Service Battalion is responsible for the defense plan, which integrates the local resources of all occupants of the BAA. The plan includes provision and coordination of alarm systems, patrols, and sentries, alternate locations, and a plan to occupy them on short notice, dispersion, track plans, camouflage, and concealment, and a clearly defined reporting system for the passage of information concerning security of the BAA. The Brigade Group Service Battalion provides the vital link for replenishment of unit echelons and the maintenance of unit equipment. It is the essential element that keeps the units of the Brigade Group combat ready and capable of performing their role in battle.